Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the phone off and ejecting the SIM tray. This prevents shorting and protects connectors. Next, place the device on an ESD mat and arrange a small container for screws. Label sections if needed. Use a suction cup and a pentalobe driver to remove exterior screws, then gently pry the screen edge with a plastic pick to break the adhesive seal. Once done, lift the display slightly and identify visible ribbon connectors before fully opening the frame. You should remove bracket screws in sequence and set them aside by location because mixing them causes reassembly issues. Once brackets are off, disconnect the battery before touching display ribbons. This avoids power on shorts. Then, carefully peel the display and sensor cables using an angled pick to lift connectors straight up. If adhesive resists, reheat the perimeter to softening range, about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, and work slowly to avoid tearing cables. Once the old screen is free, wipe the frame clean of residue. You align the new screen and seat its ribbon connectors carefully, making sure each click is secure. Reconnect the battery only after display connectors are fastened to avoid sparks. Once connected, power the phone on briefly to test touch response, display uniformity, front camera, and proximity sensors. If something fails, power down and recheck connector seating. After a successful test, apply new adhesive tape around the frame, press the screen evenly into place, and reinstall brackets and screws in their original order. Troubleshooting tip: if touch is unresponsive, reseat connectors and check for debris or bent pins.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.